Start. Hey guys, welcome to NEET World. In this session we are going to see the PYQs of JEE Mains of Physics. Okay, so in previous session we have solved some few questions in PYQs and we'll continue with the next part of the question in this session. So the first question of today's session is like the four identical particle of equal mass of 1 kg made to move along the circumference of a circle of radius 1 meter under the action of their own mutual gravitational attraction, the speed of each particle will be. Okay, so in this what they are saying is there is a circle and there is a four particles they have taken. So each particle is in diameter, like ends of the diameter will consider for example, and it's moving with some velocity or speed, no, and I need to find what is the speed. And the thing is they have given they are rotating with they are going under with their mutual, like gravitational mutual attraction. Okay, and I need to take that. Let me consider the diagram as, yeah. So suppose if I take a diagram like this now, there is this circle, okay, and if I take a particle number 1 here, okay, particle number 1 and particle number 2, 3 and 4. So when I consider like this is my velocity v, it is rotating like this, no? It's going like this is my velocity r. Okay, speed. So let me take the speed like that, and the thing they have said mutual gravitational attraction. So mutual gravitational attraction. So what is the radius of the circle? Let me take it as r. Okay, consider it as r. Radius of the circle is r. So it is, if this is r, no, if this is r, what will be this one? So r and r, no, r square plus r square will be equals to, this is, let me take the hypotenuse, okay, h square. So 2r square is equals to h square, which is nothing but r root 2 or root 2r, right? No, root 2r is the value of the hypotenuse, root 2r. Okay, now if I take a particle 1 and 2, 3, no, 1 and this is 2 and 3. So suppose this is my force 1, F1. What about F2? This is F2 and this is F2, like both are same. F2 and F3 are same, no? Consider this F2 is equals to F3. This is F2 and this is F3. Okay, so what is the angle made here? Angle made is 45 degree. 45 degree. So suppose, yeah, suppose this is the 45 degree, no, when I take the component, the angle which is closer to the axis is cos theta, away from the axis is sin theta. So this is my F2 sin theta and this is my F2 sin theta. Okay, so two F2 sin thetas are coming, one is left direction, one is right direction, and two F2 cos thetas will come, F2 and F2 cos thetas, no. So when I see here F1 is there and F2 is 2 times, right? No, so I can consider like this, yeah, F1 plus 2F2 cos, what is the angle? 45 degree. 45 degree is equals to centripetal force. That's it. So take the diagram, take the components of F2. F1 is in the radius only and I need to take the component for F2, that's it. So what is F1? So it is gravitational attraction they told, no. So mass is like equal mass they told. So G m square by, so the distance between the first mass and second mass is r plus r, 2r. So 2r the whole square plus 2 times g m square by, the distance is root 2r, no, root 2r the whole square cos 45 1 by root 2 no 1 by root 2 is equals to mv square by r. That's it. That's it no. So from this equation I can find the value of v. So can I expand this? So m will get cancelled out. So from this gm by 4r square plus 2gm by 2r square. One more root 2 is there, root 2. 2 root 2 r square is equals to m cancel no v square by r. So from this I can cancel r no 1 r and the 1 r I can cancel it out. So denominator I should take it as 4 now. So what I should do? Multiply by root 2 by root 2. That's it. So root 2 will become 2 and 2 2s are 4. That's it. So from this equation I can write gm plus 2 root 2 gm by 4r. That's it. 4r should be equals to v square. So what is the value of m and r? Mass is 1 kg and r is 1 meter. So value of m and r I will substitute out. So g I can take commonly outside. Okay. So it is 1 plus 2 root 2 by 4 is equals to v square. So from this if I take the under root of g of 1 plus 2 root 2 by 4, it will come. I will write here. So g 1 plus 2 root 2 by 2, it is under root, which is nothing but this is the answer of the speed v. Right now you got it. So nothing but I have taken the particle of end of the diameters, okay, and it is going with some speed v I have assumed. So if I take the force for this particle number 1 and 3 as F1 and 1 and 2 as F2, 1 and 4 as F3, okay. So where F2 and F3 are equal, that's why I have written here, and F1 is there, okay. So for F1 the distance between the particle is 2r, r plus r radius, and this distance I need to find it out. So by using this radius and radius no like triangle hypotenuse sides no, this hypotenuse I have taken r square plus r square equals to hypotenuse square, where hypotenuse is 2 root 2 root 2 r no, that's it. So this is the distance between the two particles. So I have taken the distance and the angle is cos 45, like F2 I should take as a resolved components. So F2 sin theta and F2 sin theta will get cancelled out because both are in the opposite direction. Excuse me. So if it is clear, we can go for the next question. Okay. So the next question is, consider two satellites S1 and S2 with periods of revolution 1 hour and 8 hours respectively revolving around a planet in a circular orbit. The ratio of angular velocity of a satellite S1 to the angular velocity of a satellite S2. So what is the relation between the angular velocity and the time period? Yes, we know that t is equals to 2 pi by omega. So here S1 and S2 they have given, satellite 1 and satellite 2, where for S1 is T1 is equals to 1 hour, T2 is equals to 8 hours. Right now I need to find the angular velocity omega 1 and omega 2. This is the thing I need to find. So from this equation no, I can take a relation between t and omega, where omega will be equals to 2 pi by t. So omega is inversely proportional to t. So omega 1 by omega 2 should be equals to t2 by t1. That's it. So what is t2 now? 8 hours and t1 is 1 hour. That's it. So this is the ratio. So what is the answer? Option A is the answer. 8:1. Done now? Can we go for the next question? Yes. So the next question is, two equal capacitors are first connected in series and then in parallel. The ratio of equivalent capacities in the two cases will be. So there is one capacities only, equivalent capacitors. I'll cancel it out, this one. Okay. Now one is in series and one is in parallel. So capacitor, no, what is the capacitor formula for series and parallel? We know that for series it is 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2, for parallel C1 plus C2. Okay. So let me take the diagram first. So this is the capacitor. So first capacitor C1 and this is C2. Okay. And both are equal, they told. So C1 should be equals to C1, or let me take C and C. This is first capacitor, this is second capacitor. For the parallel case, this also C only, C and C. So this is third capacitor and this is fourth capacitor. So for series formula is 1 by C1 2 should be equals to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. So 1 by C1, C1 is equals to C2 equals to C3 equals to C4. Everything are equal. So C plus C, which is nothing but 2 by C. So C1 2 should be equals to C by 2. This is for the series condition, whereas parallel C3 4 should be equals to C plus C, where it is 2C. And they are asking what is the ratio between the series and the parallel thing. So C1 2 by C3 4 should be equals to C by 2 by 2C, where it is C by 4C. So C and C will get cancelled. 1:4 is the answer. Option 2. So can we go for the next question? Yes. We'll go for the next part of the equation. Okay. So the next question is, a cell E1 of EMF 6 volt and internal resistance 2 ohm is connected with another cell E2 of EMF 4 volt and internal resistance 8 ohms as shown in the given figure. The potential difference across a point xy. So where is the point x and y? So I need to find the potential difference across this point. Okay. So first let me write whatever the given terms here. So the given terms are EMF for EMF 1, no, EMF E1 is equals to how much? 6 volt, na? 6 volt, and resistance R1 is equals to 2 ohm, right? No, 2 ohm. Whereas for the second one, EMF E2, which is equals to 4 volt, okay, 4 volt, and R2 is equals to how much? 8 ohms. I need the potential difference across the point x and y. So Vx minus Vy is the potential difference. Right now, it's the potential difference. I need to find the potential difference now. So first I need to get what is the value of E effective and R effective. So E effective will be equals to, yes, it is E1 minus E2, where it is 6 volt minus 4 volt, which is nothing but 2 volt, na? That's it. What about R effective? R effective is R1 plus R2, which is 2 plus 8, 10 ohm. Okay. So from this, can I find what is the current goes across these points? So V is equals to IR is the formula, where I is equals to V by R. So R, we can take E by R also, EMF by R. What is EMF? 2. What is resistance? 10. So 2 by 10, it is 0.2 ampere. Now we can come across this potential difference, no? Yes. So V x minus V y I need to find now. That's it. Can you give the answer for this question? Yes, simple, no? Only I need to take what is that values here in x, y, that's it. I have given the values also for current, okay. So simply I should take, yeah, it is E plus IR, right? No. So what is E here? E2 only I should take 4 plus what is the current? 0.2 into resistance is 8, okay, that's it. How much? 8 into 0.2 is 1.6 plus 4. So 4 plus 1.6 is nothing but 5.6. So option, yeah, option C is the answer. Can we go for the next question? Yes, this is physics class. And what is E? Here he is like nothing but EMF, like voltage, na? This is for the class 11th and 12th JEE Mains PYQs I am doing. Okay. I hope I clarified your doubt. We can go for the next question. Yes. If y, k and eta are the values of Young's modulus, bulk modulus and modulus of rigidity of any material respectively, choose the correct relation for these parameters. So we have seen, like we have come across the relation between these three, no? So can I write that relations here first? So from that relations I can find the equation for that, I mean for this question, right now? I'll write the relation first. So y is equals to 3k into, yes, no, 3k into 1 minus 2 sigma. And one more relation is y is equals to 2 eta into 1 plus sigma. These are the two relations. From these two relations, no, I need to get the proper relation between this question, okay, and whatever the relation given in the option, I should get it, okay. So whoever watching, no, they can give answer in the comment box which is the correct option. Yes, once you, yeah, if you see here, no, out of this 4 option, sigma is not there. I can eliminate sigma. If you eliminate sigma by cross verifying which is the correct option, I can get the correct option, na. So in this, can I take sigma in one side and remaining term other side? So from the equation 1, I will write the equation here. So y is equals to 3k into 1 minus 2 sigma, y is equals to 2 eta into 1 plus sigma. Okay. So from the equation 1, from this equation, I will write sigma in one side and remaining term other side. So y by 3k is equals to 1 minus 2 sigma, okay, where I can take sigma one side and remaining term other side. 2 sigma is equals to 1 minus y by 3k, where sigma will be equals to 1 by 2 into 1 minus y by 3k. Okay, this is for the first one. For the second one, what is the value? Yeah, y by 2 eta is equals to 1 plus sigma, where sigma will be equals to, I can take 1 to the other side, y by 2 eta minus 1. This is the second equation. Can I equate the first one and second one now? Let me take this is equation number 1 and this is 2. So from 1 and 2 I will get 1 by 2 into 1 minus y by 3k is equals to y by 2 eta, no, y by 2 eta minus 1. So now cross verify the every answer, like I will take first one now. So first one what they have given, k one side and remaining term other side. So from this I will keep k one side and remaining term other side. So what I can do here, I can take this 1 by 2 the other side, 1 minus y by 3k is equals to, so 2 into, yeah, y by 2 eta will become y by eta, 2 will get cancelled, so minus 2. Okay. Now take the y by 3k one side and remaining term other side, 1 minus y by eta plus 2 is equals to y by 3k, that's it. I will erase this one. Okay, no? So what is this? 3 minus y by eta is equals to y by 3k. So take this 3k one side, 3k into 3 minus y by 3, I mean y by eta into equals to y. So 3 into 3, 9 minus 3y by eta is equals to y. This is my equation. From this I will keep k one side and remaining term other side, no? K is equals to, so take eta as LCM, it will become, I will write here only, k into 9 eta minus 3y by eta is equals to y. So send this eta other side, k is equals to y eta by 9 eta minus 3y. Is this the given option? Check it. Y eta by 9 eta minus 3y. Yes. So from the first option itself I got the answer. Option 1 is the answer. Got it? No? Can we go for the next question? Yeah, if you want you can take the screenshot also. I will give the equation here once again, like y is equals to 3k into 1 minus 2 sigma and y is equals to 2 eta into 1 plus sigma. Okay, these are the two equations. For that, Young's modulus, bulk modulus and modulus of rigidity. Okay, we will go for the next part of the equation. The next question is, two stars of mass m and 2m at a distance d rotates about their common center of mass in free space. That period of revolution is, okay, first I need to find what is the center of mass for the first one and the second one from the distance. Okay, so let me draw the diagram here first. So I will draw the diagram. So this is m and this is 2m and the distance is d. Okay, so rotates about their common center of mass in free space. So for r1 I will take r1 is nothing but m by 2m plus m, center of mass. So m by 3m, which is equals to 1 by 3. Okay, that's it now. And r2 will be equals to 2m by 2m plus m, which is nothing but 2 by 3. So into d will come, no? Yeah, d. Okay. Yes. Yeah, you can take like this also. Yeah. First one you can take r1 this one or r2 this one or r2 r1, anything you can take. That's what I have written. R1 is equals to m by 2m plus m, which is nothing but 1 by 3. Yeah, 3 m by 3m, no, mm will get cancelled. R2 will be equals to 2m by 2m plus m, which is nothing but 2m by 3m, which is equals to 2 by 3, no, that's it. Okay. So from this I need to get the period of revolution. How can I get now? Any answer? Yes. Any answer for this question? I can use the gravitational force. Yes, gravitational force I can use and I can get it, na. So what is the formula I should use? Gm by, so G m1 m2 by r square. So here F is equals to G m into 2m by d square. Okay. So from this what I will get? 2gm square by d square. Okay. Okay, no. And one more thing is, F is equals to m omega square r, no, m omega square r, which is, F is equals to m omega square, which is I should take r2, I can take r2, which is equals to m omega square into, what is the value? 2 by 3, 2 by 3. So equate the both equation and get the answer. That's the thing. Okay, got it now? We'll go for the next question. Okay. So which is the correct option here? Yeah, you can give the answer in the comment boxes also, whoever watching, which of the correct option. Okay, and we'll go for the next question. So the next question is, if a velocity time graph has the shape AMB, what would be the shape of the corresponding acceleration graph? So here what it's happening, like the negative acceleration takes place and the positive acceleration takes place, no? Yes or no? Yes. So when I draw the tangent over here, no, like it's a constant, it's a constant acceleration, I mean constant deceleration and constant acceleration. So it is negative and this is positive, and this is negative and this is positive, no, and the equations will be equals to y is equals to mx plus c, no, y is equals to mx plus c. I'll take a pen. Y is equals to mx plus c. I can write like this, v is equals to mx plus c. This is for the case mb. Okay, where the case AB, I mean AM, no, AM will be equals to minus mx plus c. Okay, the slopes, if you see the slope here, no, it is negative and it is positive. Yes, no. So if you see here, which of the correct option is, it is constant and this is also constant, na? So it is negative and this is positive. Option A is the answer. That's it. So with this, we'll end this session and we'll bring some more question in the next session. Okay. So don't try to miss the JEE Mains PYQs, which is more helpful for the upcoming 2026 JEE examination. Okay. So thank you guys. Until then, bye bye.